girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag too. Oh.
Welcome to Chuches Mind.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.
Good afternoon to you. So today we are going to soft. When I say we, I mean my siblings and I, myself, Noe and PG. We're going to this place that's like called Soft. It's like an ice cream place in the kitchen.
You look nice.
Thank you. So yes. I shall be seeing you guys on my day. Bye. Good evening to you.
The birds are chirping.
She doesn't even need it. It's evening, so no birds are chirping, but she's saying the birds. If it was morning, now it's understandable. But no problem. Today, where are we going to? Somebody's craving something.
We're going to Burger King. I'm craving ice cream, and then why not a burger at the center, you know? Feeding that fat girl. I mean.
You know the funny thing? I've actually been to Burger King 3 times now, I think, and I never actually vlogged. I just did like an Instagram vlog. Well, I think today I'll try and vlog. Let's see how that goes. If they say put your camera away, I'm putting it away. You know, nowadays I'm not even stressing with these Nigerians and their stress of no cameras allowed, 150k if you want to do anything here.
What?
And just like give it. I have a phone.
Publicity, come on.
They don't understand that, but that's fine. So yes, the reason why I didn't bring out my camera at Soft is because they are kind of in the same place where Bug is now. And the last time I went to Bug with my camera, they almost cut off my head with no cameras allowed. You cannot use camera, blah 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 blah. And I'm just like, I'm not here for this stress. So just like, let me just use my phone. But the video I have there, I'm going to post that on Instagram. I've been making a lot of Instagram mini vlogs, which is quite okay, because I don't know, but I'll try and insert some of them here on YouTube. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. It's actually hot. I had to put up the AC and the what do you call it, radio, because copyright and the AC is very noisy. Like the breeze, you hear. So me, most time when I want to vlog in the car, I have to put up the AC, put up the what's the name, radio.
Oh, why is radio so hard for you to see?
Me, I don't know. I really don't know. And this camera is not even focusing. It's focusing on her, not even me. And I'm the main actress. I'm the star actress.
The camera knows who it wants to see.
Yeah. See you guys later. We move. It was a bit soft when this place was empty, because the few times I've come here, it's not like it's that empty, but today is literally empty. They said they don't have beef burger or something like that, so I don't know what the video was saying. That is really like a particular side. I think it's Savers meal that you can only have today. The other things are not available. And mayonnaise, they are sold out for the day. We tried. Well, I'm not having anything, to be honest. I don't have money. I'm broke again. And I don't see the point of me buying burger. But we might have ice cream.
Your number 7. Thank you. So this is your meal you ordered for double cheeseburger.
Yes.
And 6-piece nuggets, 6-piece onion rings.
Yes.
Time for ice cream.
I had blueberry, vanilla, something berry. I think it's strawberry, cherry. So that's when I came in with blueberry, cherry, and vanilla, salty. And I actually enjoyed it. It was nice. Can I taste it?
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.